Starting wash day after 5 o'clock, I feel like is a bad idea, but it needs to be done. So we are here. I'm glad you joined. But before we get into it, just a gentle reminder to my product hoarders. Go check that stash. Go check your stash because I know you got more products than I do. And there's stuff on here, y'all, that was empty, expired. I haven't used it in months. It needs to be thrown away. And I just honestly need to make it a regular thing to check this cart because I want to get some more products. And I'm trying to follow the rule, like we got to get rid of some things before we bring in some things. So I'm just going to keep my eye close on this cart, get rid of things I am not using. If I've seen it and I haven't used it, it's getting thrown away. If it's empty, thrown away. If it's expired, y'all go check your expiration dates on these products. It's getting thrown away. This was everything that fell into that category. But let's get back into wash day. The girls in the chat been asking me to show them some hairstyles, and I have just been like, wait, I don't know what y'all think I'ma do that's any more special than the next curly hair, but I get it, so I delivered for y'all. I hope you enjoy it. First though, I had to go in with this detangler nectar from Pattern because I have not washed my hair in 2 weeks, which is oh my god, no. Weekly wash days are the way to go. Going through my product stash, I seen this product. It's just been sitting there. It didn't have much in it. I was like, let me just use what's in here to help me detangle a little bit. Did it do much? It did a little bit of something. You can see my ends. They just looked really stringy because my hair is so tangled. It's all the way to the roots. It did help a little bit though. What didn't help was me skipping wash day and messing up my routine. And now I'm just going into my regular wash day steps: shampoo, deep condition, and then we're gonna style. We're doing a wash and go. And I actually did buy a new product because I was craving it that bad. Not this hydrating shampoo, one of my favorite products from Pattern. And I used to say that about the detangling nectar. However, every bottle I've gotten after my first one, I just feel like the consistency hasn't been the same. I just don't like it as much as I liked it when I first tried it, which I feel like is the scary thing about these products, y'all. Like, anything can change in a drop of a dime. What's helpful about not spending a lot on products all the time, you're not just buying everything, and that just raises the chances of you getting something that's might be not okay? One product I pray never changes is this deep conditioner right here. And I was low-key a little scared to use it just because I haven't used it in a minute. And I was like, hold on, does it smell the same? Does it? I was like, yeah, it better work the same because y'all, this is when I first used this deep conditioner, it's just such a good, honestly, all the products from this line, this brand has been doing the thing. Okay, Whitney, like, I'm not even gonna hold you. If I could have a lifetime supply of melanin hair care, sign me up. I just really love it. And I haven't had it in the stash for a minute because one, I haven't been buying products like that. And two, this mask be sold out, y'all. I had it on notify me when it's stocked again so I could grab it. And I'm actually really proud of myself that I only bought this product because it's so easy for us to fill up the cart and just be like, oh, might as well get it all at the same time. But I was like, no, we're just gonna get the deep conditioner and that's it. We're gonna use everything else at home. For my girls that do weekly wash days, do you love it here? Because I do. I look so dead in the face because my hair was so tangled from skipping one wash day. I was like, yo, I want a finger detangle, but it was so bad I had to get the brush out because there was no way. If I would have stepped out the shower with my hair like this, not detangling it, it would have been a mess. It would have hurt. and I just like it took me a minute to get through all these sections. That deep conditioner really helps though. I like to wait after letting my deep conditioner sit on my hair a little bit so it can marinate and maybe help me get the tangles out, and that's what it did. I really hate letting the water run when I'm not using it, you know, and that's what I was doing because my hair was so tangled and I needed that water to help me detangle. All in all, Jasmine, stop skipping your freaking wash days. Like, I am trying to grow my hair out, period. The tangles and just the extra time I spent on this wash day was just so unnecessary. If I would have just washed my hair last week, a little bit of care every week really saves me so much time. All I'm doing here is rinsing out that deep conditioner, detangling for hours, and then putting in the leave-in conditioner. And then once I was done with that, y'all, I was so tired. I didn't even have the energy to record myself doing my wash and go, but I did just use the leave-in and this amazing extreme wet line gel that I love. And one thing about it, when I was looking up hairstyles to do, a lot of the curlies were using this gel. I just feel like it's just such a usable gel. Like, it gets the job done. You don't need a lot, and it doesn't flake on you depending on what you mix it with. That's when you're gonna get the flaky. But the thing is, it mixes well with a lot of products. And if your hair is super dry, I feel like that's when you get flaking too. Today is Sunday. I've actually been washing my hair on Saturdays lately. I wanted to try this style. This is a style I found on Pinterest. Very simple, okay? But I get why y'all would want to see me do some variety of hairstyles, because I didn't see many girls with my thick A hair in their hair tutorials, and it can be very difficult trying to achieve a style that someone with a different curl pattern, length, face shape, head shape, like different from you, but trying it on yourself, because it's going to look different regardless. I thought this would be cute. I've never done it before. I am very much like, okay, wash and go, done, let's do it. But I am glad that I pushed myself to try some new things, because I did find some things that I like this hairstyle. Dare I say, it even kind of elevated my look just a little bit. Like, I just looked a little bit more put together. And because I was not gonna be out all day, I didn't mind my hair being down in the back. Putting the back in a ponytail really helped me slick down the front so that hair wouldn't get in the way. And it did take me like 2-3 times to get the bun where I wanted it, but I was like, you know what, it looks cute. I feel like some chopsticks really would have set the look off, okay? And my hair was out of my face, which was super nice. On to the next style. It is Monday. I was off and I had no plans whatsoever. I didn't want to do much. As you can see, I stretched my hair out yesterday, so I did not want to put another blow dryer to it, so I just picked it out a little bit just to get some length, because shoddy, the shrinkage is insane. But I just end up putting it in this pineapple anyways, refreshened the back curls just with some water and I think just a little bit of gel. And I like to kind of part my pineapple to give it a ponytail look, and I think this style is just so easy, so cute, so effortless, and it looks good on any length of hair. Anyone can do it. That should definitely just be a go-to. I used to be the biggest critic of the banding method, but I love the banding method so much. I usually do 3 scrunchies. Right here in my hair I only have 2, because I am running out of scrunchies, y'all. I ordered some, they're on the way. I like to use satin scrunchies. If you want to keep your hair elongated, this is the best way to do it. I sometimes do it in 2 sections like you've just seen, or sometimes I'll do it in 4, and the little humps, they come right out, okay? You can see I sprayed just a little bit of the Uncle Funky Daughters leave-in revitalizer, I think that's what that is, but you really don't even need that. I just felt the need to spray something on my hair while managing it, just so I'm not just working with completely dry hair, because we are trying to avoid breakage. And what else avoids breakage is removing your hair from off your shoulders. This day I was going to work, so I know I definitely want to start doing styles where my hair is off of my shoulders. It's not in a tight bun, it's not in a tight ponytail, because that will cause breakage too. But I decided to do some low space buns. They're very, very low maintenance. I did not do much to get this style, and it's up out of the way. I won't have my hands in it all day, and it's cute. If it's not clear, I do work from home. I go in the office one day a week, which was yesterday. Today I am working from home, and I was like, let me just do something simple. I really didn't do anything this day though. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. I actually did a hairstyle video a while ago. Y'all should go check it out. They were cute. And this is just one that I kind of repeated because I think it's so cute. It's super easy, super simple. All of the work is done by the hairpins. Where did I get these? I don't know. I'm gonna try to find some dupes if I do. But they're bobby pins that have like sparkles on them. The clips that I was showing you a little earlier, those are from Target, and I don't know if I got them at the same time, but I think having these types of clips, just keeping your eyes out for things that look like this, can come in handy because it will just spruce up a look. Like, I ain't do much here but tuck my hair behind my ears and then just added some bobby pins, and it just looks cute. I could have did a little bit more with the shape, but again, y'all, I ain't do nothing this day, so I really was not trying to do much. You could also do this with some regular bobby pins. Like, if you have black hair, they have like gold bobby pins that I think this is cute too. I've seen a couple people do that. You can crisscross the bobby pins, just make a little style, do something unique, and it just brings a little flavor to the hair. And you know, you can do it up, you can do it down. I love the hair behind the ear. Like, I just think it just adds flavor. Again, usually do not do anything to my hair throughout the week, and I was like, you know what, let me see what the girls be talking about when they refresh their hair. I was not feeling it. Like, I really didn't even want to do it for real. But I was like, let me just keep going and see what it does. It didn't do much, okay? I think for me, just re-wetting my hair, especially because I have low porosity hair, it's hard to wet it without, like, with just a spray bottle. It's hard to get it wet. It's hard to get it soaking. So it just felt like and then it just shrank once it was dried. I didn't have a lot of shedding, which was good too though. And then let's see, I'm gonna show you the next hairstyle. Maybe did I record that? Running so late. I did not, y'all. But I think it's self-explanatory a little bit, maybe not. It's cute though, right? I was a friend's birthday dinner that I was going to. I got up way too last minute, had to put something together. I said, you know what, these little crystal bobby pins is already sitting on the counter, let me just go ahead and use them. And it just looks so cute, so simple. I think the silver with the gold, I don't know what I like about it, but I like it. You watched the video this long? I just gotta say thank you so much. I was like, I'm gonna record some cute little showers. I always trip up saying that. I'm going to record some shower scenes for the next wash day, the next video. Y'all, I'm running late. I'm supposed to be going somewhere, but I am doing a bomb wash and go. one of my favorite ones. Next video, I'm so happy that you watched this one. You must have enjoyed it if you're watching this video with my crazy hair. And you have to say hi, say something, let me know your favorite style, what you like about the videos, what you want to see more of. I appreciate you so much. Until the next video, deuces.